Did you know that the POCO F7 is rumored to come with a groundbreaking camera that could rival flagship models, all while staying budget-friendly? The POCO F7 has been making waves in the tech community, with many enthusiasts eagerly awaiting its launch in India. This smartphone is expected to bring some exciting features to the table, making it a strong contender in the mid-range market. As one of the most anticipated devices of the year, the POCO F7 is likely to generate significant buzz among tech enthusiasts and consumers alike. With its rumored impressive specs and affordable price tag, it's no wonder that many are eagerly awaiting its release. The smartphone market in India is incredibly competitive, with numerous brands vying for consumer attention. To succeed, a brand must strike the right balance between pricing, features, and performance. With so many options available, consumers have come to expect a lot from their smartphones, and brands must deliver. Pricing is a critical factor, as consumers are always on the lookout for value for money. Features like high-quality cameras, fast processors, and long-lasting batteries have become must-haves. In this crowded market, brands must innovate and differentiate themselves to stand out. The POCO brand, in particular, has made a name for itself by offering high-performance devices at affordable prices. Their fans have come to expect a certain level of quality and value from their products. However, with the POCO F7, the brand is expected to take things to the next level. The POCO F7 is expected to boast some impressive specs, including a powerful processor, high-quality camera, and long-lasting battery. Its predecessor, the POCO F6, was a huge success, and the F7 is expected to build upon that success. With a new and improved camera system, the POCO F7 is rumored to be capable of capturing stunning images and videos. The device is also expected to feature a large and vibrant display, making it perfect for gaming and entertainment. In terms of specifications, the POCO F7 is expected to come with a large 6.7-inch AMOLED display, a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 series processor, and up to 12 GB of RAM. The device is also rumored to feature a quad-camera setup with a 50MP primary sensor, a 12MP secondary sensor, and two 8MP sensors. With these specs, the POCO F7 is shaping up to be a formidable competitor in the mid-range market. The POCO F7's camera system is expected to be one of its standout features, with a new and improved sensor that can capture more detailed images. The device is also rumored to feature advanced software features, such as AI-powered scene detection and enhanced portrait mode. With these features, the POCO F7 is expected to be capable of capturing stunning images and videos. When it comes to pricing, the POCO F7 is expected to be very competitive, with a rumored starting price of around 25,000 rupees. This makes it an attractive option for consumers who want a high-quality smartphone without breaking the bank. As we await the official launch of the POCO F7, there have been some leaks and rumors about its exclusive features and offers. Some reports suggest that the device will come with a special launch offer, which could include a discount or a free accessory. The POCO F7's launch date is still a mystery, but rumors suggest that it could happen soon. Some reports indicate that the device will be launched in India within the next few weeks. If the POCO F7 lives up to its rumored specs and pricing, it's likely to be a top contender in the mid-range market. Its powerful processor, high-quality camera, and long-lasting battery make it an attractive option for consumers. The POCO F7's battery life is also expected to be impressive, with a large 5,000 mAh battery that can last all day. The device is also rumored to feature fast charging support, which can quickly top up the battery. The POCO F7's display is also expected to be one of its standout features, with a large and vibrant AMOLED panel. The device is rumored to feature a high refresh rate, making it perfect for gaming and entertainment. In conclusion, the POCO F7 is shaping up to be a formidable competitor in the mid-range market. With its powerful processor, high-quality camera, and long-lasting battery, it's an attractive option for consumers. The POCO F7's success will depend on its pricing and availability. If the device is priced competitively and made available through popular channels, it's likely to be a hit among consumers. To stay updated on the POCO F7's launch and reviews, be sure to leave a comment below with your thoughts on the device. Don't forget to subscribe for future updates and reviews. Thanks for watching.